Hi, I'm Skitt from CSPhysiotherapy. I'm the resident expert with UKRunChat, the largest social media for running across the country. Using Phits for a long time now, really happy with the products, superb gait analysis and the 3D prints, brilliant to work with patients. Had some brilliant results through injury and injury prevention. I'm really happy to be a partner with them.
Hi, I'm Freary. I have a store called Preston in Lancashire, and I've had the store for 16 years and recently introduced the Footscan and Phits 3D printed insoles. I'm also the product editor for Athletics Weekly magazine, and I've been an international athlete myself for over 20 years. What I liked about the Footscan system was the evidence-based technology that it gave us and the ability to present that to a customer in an easy-to-understand format, and the way that the insoles are 3D printed and bespoke to the end user.
Hi, I'm Matt from Run Lab Clinics in Bristol. I'm just going to talk to you about why I use Phits and RS Scan. It's literally just because it's the only insole on the market that's dynamic, so it's not based on just a static measurement. It allows me to get a much more specific fit for my clients, which I think really is the way forward and the reason why I use it and have so much success with it.